Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Getting the desktop version of Outlook is simpler than you might think, and it's different from the web version or the new Freemail app. Most people get Outlook as part of a Microsoft 365 subscription. This is a monthly or yearly payment that also gives you Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other apps. You can choose a personal, family, or business plan directly from the Microsoft website. Once you subscribe, you simply log into your Microsoft account on Microsoft.com, navigate to your Services and Subscriptions page, and there you'll find a button to download and install the full desktop suite. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Another common way is through a one-time purchase of a specific Office suite, like Office Home and Business or Office Professional. These versions include Outlook and are purchased outright, rather than a subscription. You can buy these from the Microsoft Store online or from a retail store. After purchase, you'll receive a product key and instructions to download and install the software. For many users, especially in corporate or educational settings, Outlook is provided by their organization. Your company or school likely has a volume license, and you'll typically get installation instructions or have it pre-installed on your work device. In this case, contact your IT department for assistance. Finally, some new Windows PCs come with a trial or full version of Microsoft 365 pre-installed, which includes Outlook. If you have a license, just activate it. So, whether it's a subscription, a one-time buy, or through your work, getting the robust desktop Outlook app is straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.